Our patients get fresh air, sunshine, a view, proper exercise, healthy diet. It pains me to see him transferred to that less than desirable facility. There he is. He can speak. He just chooses not to.
I'd love to stand closer to him, if I may. Get a sense of his awareness or lack of awareness.
Oh, make no mistake, he's aware. He was watching you as you arrived. Perhaps you'd like to tie your left shoelace? Mr. Tovoni, the gentleman with the umbrella, has a fixation for such things. Underestimate me. Okay, now, step up to the yellow line. And no further. Do not cross the line under any circumstances. Michael. That's some people who'd like to meet you.
Hello, Michael. My name is Aaron Corey. I've been following your case for years. Still know very little about you. I'd like to know more. About that night. About those involved. Do you ever think about them, Michael? Feel guilt about their fate? I borrowed something from a friend at the Attorney General's office, Michael. You feel it, don't you, Michael? Feel the mask. Say something, Michael. Say something. Feel it, can't you? It's a part of you, Michael. It's a part of you. Say something. Say something, Michael.